how to pronounce the German Ich sound in words like ich, mich, or dich. If you can pronounce y in words like the German ja, the English yes, or the French billard, you can also pronounce the ch sound. Let's get started. Now say y with a face-lifting face like this. Y. And now say Jena. Now whisper Jena. Jena.
Wow, you've articulated an ich sound.
And now just whisper the y, and after that say the ina just normally. China. And now just pronounce the whispered sh
A bit harder with more pressure.
so that you don't have to whisper anymore. China. That's the German sh.